SmartSafe is the universal software solution for automated teller safes that helps to manage all cash operations. It is designed to increase efficiency and safety of the branch and to make it more attractive. With SmartSafe you can increase branch safety, provide more personalized services to customers, make tellers' workplace more comfortable, reduce administrative costs of the branch, improve the work efficiency. SmartSafe is designed to support tellers with cash operations. This software can either be easily integrated into the existing bank system or can be used autonomously from it. It allows an automated management of cash, debit and credit statement, as well as real-time account monitoring. SmartSafe enables the automation and monitoring of the following cash operations: collecting, recalculating, validating, sorting, handling, and dispensing. SmartSafe solution has different working modes. All of them have graphical user interface and allow perform various operations: system administration and monitoring, cash dispensing and replenishment management, generation of various reports.